Have you ever looked at a smartphone photo so sharp, so detailed, that you had to blink twice to believe it was real? Well, brace yourself, because the Pixel 10 series isn't just trying to capture reality anymore. It's trying to recreate it, and in some cases, invent what wasn't even there in the first place. That sounds insane, right? But that's exactly what Google has just dropped on us. And once you see what this thing can actually do, you'll either be blown away or a little freaked out. Oh, and before we dive deeper, welcome back, viewers. Sam here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you want more mind-blowing tech deep dives just like this one. Now let's talk about what makes the Pixel 10 lean-up so different. The Pixel 9 gave us two decent cameras, but Google clearly decided that wasn't enough. This year, the Pixel 10 gets a triple lens setup and the Pro models. They go wild with ProRay zoom up to 100x. But here's the kicker. It isn't just zooming in. It's literally using AI to paint in details that weren't even in the shot. Imagine pointing your phone at a bird perched way up on a tower and ending up with a photo that looks like you were right there in front of it. It feels like cheating, and in a way, it is. But it's also the kind of cheating most of us secretly want. And the surprises don't stop there. The Pixel Snap Magnet has become this oddly satisfying feature. It's so strong that when you slap the phone onto a mount or wireless charger, it holds like it's glued. I actually shook it around just to see if it would fall, and nope, solid grip. Plus, Qi 2 wireless charging is here, and the Pro XL takes it up to 2050W, which is wild for wireless. Combine that with wired charging speeds that push 70% battery in just half an hour, and suddenly battery anxiety feels like a thing of the past. But wait until I tell you what powers all of this, because the Tensor G5 chip isn't just an upgrade, it's the start of a new AI-first era. See, the performance boost isn't just about faster apps or smoother games. It's about unlocking AI features that make your phone feel less like a phone and more like a sidekick. Gemini AI is the show stealer here. You can literally ask it to generate a short video clip for your presentation, a postcard design for your friend, or even plan your weekend trip, reviews, directions, and restaurant picks included. And here's where it gets addictive. If you don't like the first result, you can refine it again and again until it feels exactly right. Think about that for a second. Instead of searching Google Images or scrolling through stock footage, your phone just creates what you want. That's a complete shift in how we think about phones. But here's a little cliffhanger. While all this sounds amazing, it also raises a big question. When is a photo no longer really a photo? We'll get into that in a bit, because it's not as simple as it sounds. Now, about the design. At first glance, you'd swear the Pixel 10 looks like the Pixel 9, but there are tiny details that reveal the difference. Matte sides on the base model, glossy on the Pros, and subtle shifts in color. No more playful pinks. Instead, we're looking at bold, serious tones: obsidian black, porcelain white, slate gray, lime, and a whisper of green. It's almost like Google wants to say, we're grown up now. And the displays, a stunning 300 nits of peak brightness. To put that into perspective, that's like staring at a phone screen that outshines a sunny afternoon. Perfect for outdoor use, and let's be honest, also perfect flexing rights when your friends' screens look dull in comparison. Camera-wise, the Pixel 10 lineup is split. The standard model gives you a strong 48MP setup that's perfect for most people, but the Pro models are built for photo junkies. A 50MP main sensor, 48MP ultra-wide, 40MP telephoto, and that massive 42MP front camera. That means your selfies might actually outshine your rear camera shots on older phones. At 2x FedEx or even 10x zoom, the Pro model pulls out details that make you wonder if you even need a DSLR anymore. Go up to 100x, and yeah, it's not perfect, but the stabilization and AI processing make shots usable in ways we've never seen before. But remember that cliffhanger I dropped earlier. Here's the thing. ProRay doesn't just sharpen pixels, it creates them. It fills in details that never existed. A blurry license plate. The AI might just invent letters. A distant sign. The phone could misread it completely. That's where the debate begins. Are these still photographs or something new entirely? Google is trying to fix that by adding content credentials, basically metadata telling you if AI was involved. But let's be real, how many people will ever check that? And if nobody checks, what happens to truth in photography? This is why the Pixel 10 isn't just a phone upgrade. It's the beginning of a new conversation about what's real and what's not. And whether you love it or hate it, you can't deny it's fascinating.